Hey everyone, welcome to the Valor channel. Today I'll show how to download and install mods for Stardew Valley. Go to Google, search SMAPI, visit the site, click download. You can use GitHub. Let's scroll down. We need to grab this folder here. We're downloading it now. After downloading, we need to unpack it. Once unpacked, we go in and click Install on Windows. Click Run. Now we need the path to the game. If you use Steam, it'll be through Steam. If not, just copy and paste the path here. For Steam, go to Library, Steam, Steam Apps, Common. Find Stardew Valley and copy its path. Got it? Paste it here, hit enter, then press 1. Installation successful. A mods folder will appear in game files. Put your mods there and play the game. This was Valor. Like and subscribe to the channel. Have a great life, good luck, and goodbye everyone.